I get very excited by things like buckles, and if you're watching this video and you don't understand that, then this isn't the video for you. Hello! So, I'm in Tokyo, and for today's video I'm going to be attempting to vlog, which is not something I do very often on this channel, so go easy on me. So the purpose of today's vlog is to show you all a magical craft and fabric store that I just love. I was posting about it on Instagram and asked if anyone wanted to see a video on it, and you did, so here's the video. So the craft store is called Yuzawaya, and I'm staying in an area called Kichijoji, which is in West Tokyo, but I'm pretty sure there are Yuzawayas all over Japan, so if you visit Japan, there's probably one near you. But today I'll be showing you the one in Kichijoji, and I'm very excited. It's a 2-level craft store with a massive floor plan. It takes up like 2 entire levels of this big shopping center. It's a magical place. It's basically heaven. I'm so excited to go. So let's get out of here and head to Yuzawaya. So the Yuzawaya craft store in Kichijoji can be accessed by going through Kichijoji's main train station's underpass and then heading over to lifts that go up to the Kira-rina Keio building. What's super awesome is that the lifts and the store and everything is totally accessible, including having easy to reach buttons on the outside and inside the lifts. Now we're going to be going up to level 8 and 9 because the craft store takes up those entire top 2 floors. Waiting for the lifts. Level 8 is the general arts and crafts area where you can find pretty much every single craft supply that you would ever need. Okay, so I've just come out on the 8th level, and to my right here is the very large jewelry section, which takes up several aisles, so if you really like jewelry, this is the place to be. We've got all the beads, all the clasps, all the findings and bases, and more beads and more beads and more beads, so many aisles of beads. And a wall of chains of all different types and sizes that you can buy by the meter. Ooh, I like these. These would be so nice to go inside some clear resin jewelry. Oh, look at these mini fruit slices. They're so cute. So these are still in the jewelry making section. Can someone explain to me what you'd use these for? Like, are they for setting in resin or for something else? This is a like make your own deco keychain kit. Like, how awesome is that? You don't need to get all the larger separate bits. You don't have to invest in all of that. It just comes in one $5 kit so you can try it out. And look at all of these pendants. You can make some really amazing jewelry out of this. Look, we've got an ice cream one, a cherries one, planet one. Oh man, too cute. Whoa, all the shrink plastic you could ever want. This is another cool thing that I like about Yuzawaya. So each craft section has booklets and signs and information about how to make that craft and gives you inspirations for that craft, which is awesome, and I wish Australian craft stores would do something like this. Whenever I go into a craft store in Australia, I just stare at things because I'm not sure what they're for, and I feel like a total dunce. Like, I need to have a degree just to go in there. So I like how Yuzawaya does it with info and inspiration on like all the aisles. There are like 20 aisles of just jewelry making stuff. I think there's like every finding you could ever want. I don't even do jewelry making that much, but like I am tempted just because there's so much here. Okay, I think I'm gonna need one of these. Oh my gosh. Look at this wall of threads. So this is literally every color you could ever need. I am so overwhelmed and so happy right now. Look at all the cross stitch patterns. Look at all of these. Wow. Ooh, look at this DIY pincushion kit. Oh, this is awesome. They give you this blank fabric and then you embroider onto it to put clothes onto the bears. Oh my gosh, this is too cute. Oh my god. An embroidery hoop with little animal ears. What? I think I need to get into needle felting because look at this. This is the cutest. No, this is even cuter. Oh, corgi. Oh, Pomeranian. Oh, Dachshund. No, Shiba Inu. Oh, they're too cute. Oh, I need to learn how to needle felt. Really? I can make these with needle felting? Oh my gosh, no, stop. They're just getting cuter and cuter. Okay, so I realized that I need to learn how to needle felt, but like, where do I start? Like, which one do I get? The one with 3 prongs? The one with 1 prong? The one where they're all arranged in a circle? What do I do? How do I do it? And then all the instructions for these are in Japanese, which I need to learn how to read Japanese now. I need to learn just so I can do all the crafts. No! It's too cute. Oh wow, so they have on the other side of the aisle all these real life examples of what needle felting looks like. Oh, they're so soft and squishy. I love them. Oh my gosh, look at this little lamb. Oh, it's too cute. Ooh, so this is the clay making section, and this has got to be the largest selection of different clay types that I've ever seen. And look at all the examples of cute stuff they've made with them. Like, these look like real life sweets. Yum. Okay, there's just a whole section of different sauces that you can put on your fake clay desserts. Like, we got chocolate, strawberry, milk, mango. So I guess now I have to learn how to make lamps too, because this is way too cool. This store makes me want to get into every craft ever. So I've just started getting really into crocheting, and when I saw the yarn here, ooh, I was very excited. Okay, look at all this yarn. So here on my right are all the bulk packets of yarn, so you can get a bunch in the same color. But that is just a fraction of what's on offer yarn-wise. Let me show you around. Yarn, 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 yarn. Crochet hooks, more yarn, more yarn. So much yarn. Oh wow, how cute! This is the baby yarn section. Wow, this is the softest yarn ever. So soft. Oh, pretty. Oh, cool. They have wool in the gang. I've only ever seen these online. Ooh, denim yarn. Oh, this is awesome. This yarn is made out of recycled t-shirts. That is so good. Such a good use for all the t-shirts people throw out and t-shirts with holes in them. These are all made out of recycled fabrics. So cool. What is this, like a scarf maker? A mini knitting machine? I wonder if this works. Next up on Annika's channel. Oh man, I'm so bummed out that I can't read Japanese right now because there are the damn cutest crochet books. Look at this one. And the cutest crochet patterns. Oh, they're just too difficult to understand without knowing how to read Japanese. Oh my gosh. So this is what I need to learn how to crochet. Teeny tiny amigurumi doggos. Oh, why can't I read Japanese? I need to learn. I need these patterns. Look at these. Oh, and there's also a whole section of fake plants for flower arranging. I am such a sucker for fake plants. I want to like pack my suitcase full of these. So Lydia would be so mad at me if I came back home and turned our house into a fake plant jungle. And then there's the artist section, which I'm gonna go through real quickly because I can't really draw or illustrate, so I'm not that interested in this section. But if you do like art, there's a massive selection of paints, inks, pastels, brushes, pens, paper, cardboard, all that artist stuff, and it all takes up about 1/6 of the 8th level, which, as I mentioned before, the 8th floor is very big, so it's a large section. Oh, look at all the cute patches! Kuretama patches! Oh, I need this. More patches, all the patches. Fried egg patch. More patches, more patches. Oh! Okay, I've gotten obsessed with these cute Sumiko Gurashi characters while I've been here. Sumiko Gurashi literally translates to adventures in cuddly corners in English, and I'm pretty sure their entire purpose is to sell themed merchandise to suckers like me who love everything cute. I'm such a sucker for cute stuff. Nuno Deco. What is this? I think it's fabric tape with adhesive on the back to go on shoes and bags and clothes and stuff. Oh, cool. I've never seen anything like this. I am gonna get some and try it out. Wow, okay. So this is exciting for anyone else who sews. This store has bias tape in every color, every size, every type. Like any bias tape you could literally ever need. Oh, cool. This is so cute. Floral bias tapes. Awesome. Ooh, lacy bias tapes. Cool. Even these safari bias tapes. Okay, I won't be getting that, but it's good to know it exists. So yeah, this is what I was talking about before. This is what I really love about Yuzawaya. There's instructions of how to use all the things in every craft section. Like this one is for bias tape, so you're not just standing there being like, what is this for? Or needing a degree in the thing to know what you're supposed to be doing. I really appreciate this. This is awesome. Wall of zippers. Whoa, multiple walls of zippers. Wow. And then there's also like every single sewing accessory you could ever need. All the craft glue. What? Ooh, pattern making supplies. Ooh, I need to get me a proper French curve. Time to get me some good rulers. Okay, I started using sewing clips recently. They're these things instead of pins, and I generally like them a lot better. I recommend getting some. I still use pins, but I like these because they don't pinch and pull the fabric like pins can, and they're a lot faster to put on and remove. I bought a lot of stuff and I'm only on floor 8 and we still have floor 9 to go, which is the fabric floor, so goodbye money. Okay, up we go to level 9, the floor of fabric. Move over Disneyland, for this is the most magical place on earth. This place is so huge, so the fabric takes up 1/2 of level 9, so that's 1/2 of the entire top level of a department store. My phone camera can't adequately capture how large this room of fabric is, so I guess I'll just take some footage of as many fabrics as I can. Okay, where to even begin in here? There is so much fabric, and there are fabrics from so many different designers. Also, there's every single floral you could ever want to find. Literally, like thousands of different floral fabrics. Florals as far as the eye can see. They're not that pricey either. So 680 yen is the price of these, and 680 yen's like $6.80 in US money. So this is like $6.80 for a meter of this fabric. Pretty good. A lot of the fabrics here are around this price. Some is a bit more expensive, so these ones are about $13 to $14 a meter. But I've noticed that most of these are actually made in Japan, which is super cool. Ooh, more florals. Of course. These are so pretty. Ooh, I like the feel of this. So who else goes into a fabric store to just spend hours feeling all the fabric? Ooh, this is nice. Like mermaidy. Shiny. Ooh, shiny. Ooh, rainbows. Rainbows. Oh, wow, look at these. These are super pretty. I think I need to get one of these. So they've got these carts to carry around fabric in, but if you use a wheelchair like me, then you are a cart to carry things around in. Look at all these faux furs. Whoa, that is a lot of fuzz. Ooh. Real talk though, faux fur is the worst fabric in the world to work with. Why have I never realized this before? You can sew umbrellas. They've got all the materials that you need here to make your own umbrella. That's a DIY that I definitely need to try one day. Ooh, look at these. These are so pretty. Ooh, I really like that one. And that one. And that one. I like them all, let's be honest. I want all of these. They're so nice. Okay, but real talk, I think I might actually get this one. Like, how cute would that be as pinafore overalls? Ooh, I love this fabric. Oh, this would make a really nice pair of shorts or a dress. Oh man. At first glance, you think this is just floral fabric, but then zoom in and there's a cute polar bear just popping out from behind some of the flowers. This is the most adorable thing I've ever seen. I'm dying. Ooh, these are gorgeous knit fabrics. Look at that one, it's so pretty. Can you just imagine a super cool like cardigan being made out of these? Ooh, character prints. Ooh, merman. Oh, also, so like the craft section on level 8, they also have lots of examples of things you can make with the fabric, like this bag here. Well, these are arranged in a very aesthetically pleasing manner, very color coordinated. Just some more awesome prints in this awesome fabric store. So many prints, so hard to choose. I am actually trying to find specific fabrics though for a specific project that I have in mind. I think that coming here with actual projects in mind is a good idea so you don't get overwhelmed and just buy a bunch of cute fabrics that you have no use for. Not speaking from experience here or anything at all. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, okay, so apparently it's a fabric that's meant for kids and babies, but also maybe it could be a good fabric for Annikas too. Oh, look at the dinosaurs. Cute. Okay, so these two fabrics together in a dress with sheer sleeves and a stripy body in this style. Right? Wouldn't that look amazing? Okay, so half of the 9th level is fabrics and the other half is everything else you need for sewing. So buckles and bits of Velcro is in this aisle. This aisle's just all Velcro. Wow, like every color and size you would need. And buttons and cord and rope and bag webbing and whoa, so much webbing. Hang on, is it webbing? Like for bags? No, that doesn't sound right. Well, whatever this stuff is, there's every color and size of it here. And interfacing, all the types of interfacing. And ribbon, and elastic, more elastic, and lace. I mean, well, like, look at these. And the stuff for making purses with, and bags. There's so many bag handles. And this, what's this? Stuff for making belts with, I think? That's cool. Oh, so much rick-rack. Whoa, okay, I was just wondering if there was a dedicated button section, and there sure is. There sure are a lot of buttons. There's this whole wall. Whoa, okay, many walls, many walls. There's a wall behind it as well. Wow. Cute flowers, I want these. Look at these buttons. They have googly eyes on them that move. Yes. Oh, that one's missing its eye. Oh well, they're still amazing. And dinosaurs, yes. Flowers, yes. Monsters, yes. Well, I'm gonna be here for hours just looking at these. Well, I have been here for some hours and I've only managed to pick up 3 fabrics. I've thought really carefully about it, narrowed it down to my 3 favorites. I'm really happy with them. Now I'm going over to the counter to get them cut and then I have to go to the opposite side to pay for them. Oh my god, stop distracting me, adorable fabrics. I've already chosen. You can't just come out here and be all cute like this. Gah. So the fabric buying process at Yuzawaya is pretty easy. You just take your fabric to the counter and you say how many meters of fabric you want and they cut it for you. So you can do this without knowing any Japanese. If you don't know how to say Japanese numbers, just hold up your fingers to say how many meters you want and they'll get what you mean. But if you do know a bit of Japanese, then say the number you want, for example, 3, which is san, and then say meters, because in Japanese they actually use the English word for meters. Well, it actually sounds more like meteru, but they'll get what you mean. Okay, I've got my basket of fabrics. Now I'm heading up to the opposite end to pay for them. I have been here for 3.5 hours. Okay, I'm finally leaving. I can't leave and pick this up, it's so heavy. This is the damage done. So that was Yuzawaya. It was definitely the middle of the day when I arrived at Yuzawaya and now it is dusk. So thank you for all coming along with me to the craft store. It was a lot of fun. I hope you had as much fun as I did. I definitely recommend visiting one if you're ever in Japan. I'm so excited because a lot of these craft supplies are stuff that I just can't get in Australia, so like really exciting. Hope I can show you what I do with some of them in my future videos. Thanks for coming along with me and I'll see you all next time in my next videos. Bye! Thank you so much to all of my supporters on Patreon and Ko-Fi for making these videos possible. To support this channel with a one-off donation, go to ko-fi.com/Annika Victoria, or to become a monthly supporter, go to patreon.com/Annika Victoria.